Hello everyone, this is a request video on the topic Imperial units. In everyday life, we come across measuring length, measuring weight, and measuring volume. It is therefore very important for us to understand units and how to convert between them. In today's video, we will be focusing on measuring imperial units of length. Let us write these units. We have miles, yards, feet, and inches. Miles is bigger than yards, yard is bigger than feet, and feet is bigger than inches. Now, what is the relationship between these units? 1 mile is the same as 1760 yards. So if I say 1 mile, that is the same as 1760 yards. 1 yard is the same as 3 feet, and 1 foot is the same as 12 inches. We have written units in descending order, which means we have written bigger units up, and as we go down gradually, the units are smaller units. When we go from bigger units to smaller units, we multiply. And when we go from smaller units to bigger units, we divide. Let us understand by doing a few real life examples. Question number 1. Convert 6 yards into feet. So we are going from yards to feet. So we are going one step down. And as we discussed, when we go down, we multiply. So by what number we multiply when we go from yard to feet? We multiply by the number 3. So to calculate 6 yard into feet, we will do 6 multiplied by 3, which is equal to 18 feet. Question number 2. Convert 270 feet into yards. So we are going from feet to yards, which means we are going one step up. When we go up, we divide, and we divide by the number 3. Therefore, we have 270 feet divided by 3, which gives us 90 yards. Next question, question number 3. Convert 1 mile to inches. 1 mile to inches. When we go from mile to inches, we are coming all the way down. So we are jumping 1, 2, and 3 steps down. So by what number should we multiply? We see as we come down, we multiply, and we are coming all the way from miles to inches. So we will multiply by the number 1760 and by the number 3 and by the number 12, all of them. So 1 mile, when converted to inches, it will be 1 into 1760 into 3 into 12, which is equal to 63,360 60 inches. While I'm doing these questions, you can pause the video, try the answers on your own, and then replay the video. Moving on to the next question, question number 4. In question 4, we need to convert 316,800 inches to miles. Now we are going from inches right up to miles. Now when we go up, we need to divide. By what number should we divide? We need to divide by all of these numbers because we are going from inches right up to miles. Once again, when we go up, we divide. So we need to divide by all these numbers as we are going 3 steps up. So let's do the answer. We have 316,800 and we need to divide it by 12 and by 3 and by 1760. So we are dividing the number 316,800 by 12, by 3 and by 1760 because we are going right up. So when we calculate this, we get our answer in miles, and that is equal to 5 miles. Moving on to the next question, question number 5. Convert 4 yards into inches. 4 yards into inches. So we are going from yards to inches, which means we are going 2 steps down. When we go down, we multiply, and since we are going from yards to feet, we will multiply by the number 3 and 12. So we have to convert 4 yards, therefore 4 multiplied by 3 and multiplied by 12. And therefore the answer is 144 inches. Let's do one last example. Question number 6. Convert 10,560 feet to miles. So we are going from feet to miles. We are going up. When we go up, we divide. Since we are going from feet to miles, we will divide by the number 3 and by the number 1760. So let's write 10,560 and divide it by the number 3 and 1760, and that answers 2 miles. So this is the way we do conversion of units, imperial units of length. When the numbers are extremely large, we can use calculators. As we saw here in some questions, the numbers were large. So we can use calculators, but we can also cross-check by doing manual calculation. So for the students who are not allowed to use calculators, you can do manual calculation and then use calculator to cross-check your answer.